Today I'm out blueberry picking. This is the fun part about going out and harvesting the blueberries to then make jams, pies. Just use them frozen, fresh, whichever way you like. It's just the starting of the season. My patches are just starting to get to the point of being worthwhile picking. Just to give you an idea, I just moved 20 feet from the last place, and out in the bright sunshine, looks like there's still lots of blue ones, but when you look close, they're not quite ripe to pick today. This next week, I'll be picking with a rake. And here, I got my company. Not much of a bear dog, but he makes enough noise that if Boo Boo and Fozzie come around, that I'm not disturbed, even though I've had some bears walk up on me in the past when I've had them with me. Like you see here, this is just the start of the season. And we got more here. And we're looking everywhere. And what you can see with the camera is only a fraction. There's a whole lot more if you take the plants and move them underneath. See, there's going to be more in the weeks to come. This is just the beginning of the season. When they're like this, I like to pick them by hand instead of using a little rake, because there's still lots that when you touch them, you see the purple ones, you want to leave the white ones so they're ripe. But you want to have them full maturity, ready to pick. And there's nothing better than wild blueberries. No matter what you can say, buying them at the store, yes, it's cheap, it's easy, but the flavors just aren't there. Mother Nature gives us what she can. So, and this is all part of the Cooking Wild with Ray. Whatever you can get from Mother Nature, appreciate it and enjoy it. Bring your dog out with you. Bring family, friends. Just make sure the friends that you bring don't share your spots. I'm lucky enough that this spot where I am, to get in on it, is a good 10-minute walk from the road. People can drive by, they wouldn't even have a clue that there's blueberries here. You can see, there's still lots of white ones, so next weekend, this should be all ready to pick with a rake. See the difference between ripe and not ripe? We want ones that are all blue, dark purple, because there's nothing better.